Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 5. We are on lesson 95 for the following groups: Hampton, UNT, Brown, Morehouse, Lamar, and Harvard. I want to give a quick special shout out to Riley for making my lovely artwork here. Thank you, Riley. Okay, let's jump right into it. We're going to make up an analogy. Everybody, tell me what class a barn and a house are in. Get ready. Yes, buildings. We're going to make up an analogy that tells what lives in each building. What's the analogy going to tell? Get ready. Yes, what lives in each building? Name some things that live in a barn. Get ready. Yes, you could have said things like maybe a horse, maybe a goat, right? Those are all things you could have said. Let's say horses live in a barn. Name some things that live in a house. Get ready. Okay, you could have said things like people, pets, right? Let's say people live in a house. Everybody, say the analogy about horses and people. Get ready. Yes, horses are to a barn as people are to a house. What does our analogy tell about each building? Get ready. Yes, what lives in it? Everybody, say our analogy one more time. Get ready. Yes, horses are to a barn as people are to a house. I'm going to say 2 things about something you know. See if you can figure out what I'm talking about. An eam is a big place. There is lots of salt water in an eam. Everybody, tell me what you know about an eam. Get ready. Yes, an eam is a big place. There is lots of salt water in an eam. Everybody, tell me what an eam is. Get ready. Yes, an ocean. Great job. Give yourself some student points for keeping up with me and saying the right answers. Listen to this statement. Melissa gave him a piece of pie. Everybody, say that statement. Get ready. Yes, Melissa gave him a piece of pie. Does that statement tell if he likes pie? Get ready. No. Does that statement tell what Melissa gave him? Get ready. Yes. Does that statement tell what Melissa is doing now? Get ready. No. Does that statement tell what Melissa did? Get ready. Yes. Does that statement tell if he ate the piece of pie? Get ready. No. Melissa gave him a piece of pie. Everybody say that statement again. Get ready. Yes, Melissa gave him a piece of pie. Name 3 things that statement does not tell you. Get ready. Okay, you could have said something like, it doesn't tell us what kind of pie it is. It doesn't tell us if he liked the pie, and it doesn't tell us if he even ate the pie, right? Those are all things you could have said. So, you have named 3 things the statement does not tell us. Name the first thing that you said. Get ready. Okay. Name the second thing. Get ready. Now name the third thing that you said. Get ready. All right, give yourself some student points because I know you came up with some great stuff. Listen to this story. The girl was in school. She told a funny joke. The children laughed because they liked the joke. After the children stopped laughing, they all went back to work. Listen again. The girl was in school. She told a funny joke. The children laughed because they liked the joke. After the children stopped laughing, they all went back to work. Tell what the girl did. Get ready. Yes, told a funny joke. Tell why the class laughed. Get ready. Yes, because they liked the joke. Tell who went back to work. Get ready. Yes, the children. Tell when the children went back to work. Get ready. Yes, after they stopped laughing. Tell where the girl was. Get ready. Yes, in school. All right, some more student points. Tell me if I name synonyms or opposites. Think big. Listen. Big, large. Say those words. Get ready. Yes, big, large. Are they synonyms or opposites? Get ready. Yes, synonyms. Listen. Above, over. Say those words. Get ready. Yes, above, over. Are they synonyms or opposites? Get ready. Yes, synonyms. Listen. Fast, slow. Say those words. Get ready. Yes, fast, slow. Are they synonyms or opposites? Get ready. Yes, opposites. Okay, I hope I didn't fool you then. Now it's time for our workbook or our worksheet. So you should be on 95 on your worksheet. All right, remember to write your name at the top. This arrow shows another if game. The first picture shows what Sweetie might do. The second picture shows what Honey will do. Look at the pictures carefully and see if you can figure out the if rule. Remember, you have to start with if. Then you tell what happens in the first picture. Then you tell what Honey will do. Raise your hand when you're ready to tell the if rule. Get ready. Say the if rule for these pictures. Get ready. Yes, if Sweetie chases Andrea, Honey will bite Sweetie's tail. Everybody, say the if rule. Get ready. Yes, if Sweetie chases Andrea, Honey will bite Sweetie's tail. That's the rule for these pictures. Look at the pictures below the arrow. Get ready. They show things that might happen. You have to figure out what Honey will do. Touch the first picture below the arrow. Get ready. What's happening in that picture? Get ready. Yes, Sweetie is chasing the bragging rats. It's my turn. What will Honey do if Sweetie chases the bragging rats? Get ready. We don't know. We only know what she'll do if Sweetie chases Andrea. Your turn. What will Honey do if Sweetie chases the bragging rats? You ready? Yes, we don't know. Touch the second picture below the arrow. Get ready. What's happening in that picture? Get ready. Yes, Sweetie is chasing Andrea. Think big. Everybody, what will Honey do if Sweetie chases Andrea? Get ready. Yes, bite Sweetie's tail. Right? That's the rule. If Sweetie chases Andrea, Honey will bite Sweetie's tail. Touch the last picture below the arrow. Get ready. What's happening in that picture? Get ready. Yes, Sweetie is chasing a butterfly. Everybody, what will Honey do if Sweetie chases a butterfly? Get ready. Yes, we don't know. Two of the pictures below the arrow show things that our rule doesn't tell us about. So we don't know what honey will do if these things happen. Listen, cross out the two pictures that show things our rule does not tell us about. Which two pictures did you cross out? Get ready. Yes, you should have crossed out the picture that shows Sweetie chasing the bragging rats and the picture that shows Sweetie chasing a butterfly. Why did you cross them out? Get ready. Yes, because our rule doesn't tell us about them. Okay, raise your hand if you crossed out the pictures of Sweetie chasing the bragging rats and Sweetie chasing the butterfly. Good for you. Okay, now we are on the back of that worksheet, which is this page. It should look just like this. Okay, everybody, I'll read the words in the box. You touch the words. First word, buildings. Get ready. Next word, plants. Excuse me. Get ready. Yes, buildings and plants. Everybody put your finger under the church. Get ready. Is a church in the class of buildings or in the class of plants? Get ready. Yes, buildings. A church is in the class of buildings. Copy the word buildings next to the church. Get ready. Read what you wrote. Get ready. Yes, buildings. Everybody put your finger under the flower. Get ready. Is a flower in the class of buildings or in the class of plants? Get ready. Yes, plants. A flower is in the class of plants. Copy the word plants next to the flower. Get ready. Read what you wrote. Get ready. Yes, buildings and plants. I'm sorry, just plants on that one. Everybody, read the words that you wrote. Get ready. Yes, buildings, plants. Later, you can write the class words that go with the other pictures. Okay, we're on the second half of the same worksheet. Here's the coloring rule for this picture. If an object is made of wood, color it black or brown. What's the rule? Get ready. That's right. If an object is made of wood, color it black or brown. Mark two of the objects made of wood. Get ready. Here's another coloring rule for this picture. If an object is made of cloth, color it orange. What's the rule? Get ready. Yes, if an object is made of cloth, color it orange. Make an orange mark on one of the objects made of cloth. Get ready. Here's one more thing to do. Part of the shirt is missing. What part is missing? Get ready. Yes, the sleeve. Before you color the shirt, follow the dots and make the sleeve. Remember, the marks show you what color to make the wood objects and the cloth objects. And you, my friends, have earned some student points and you have finished your lesson for today. I will see you Wednesday. Bye.